Okay, I've got this question here. It says, Alfred owns a small general store in Conway. His monthly income is $4,926, and he has a monthly rent payment of $1,250 and also pays renter's insurance of $125 per month. Using a cap rate of 9%, what is the value of Alfred's business? And then we'll have to round to the nearest dollar once we get to that point. Okay, so let's do this here. The first thing I'm going to do right out of the box is I'm going to write down the income of 49.26. I'm going to write little I for income right there, so we know what that is. Then I'm going to write over here, I'm going to write the expenses of $1,250. And a monthly insurance of $125. I'll write that over here. And then I'm going to add these two expenses up so I know exactly what the expenses are. So $1,375, and I'll write a little E for expenses right there. All right, so now I've got the monthly income and I've got the monthly expenses. Well, when we know we're talking about a general store, we know this is a business, so we've got to multiply that to get the yearly numbers. So I'm going to multiply the 49.26 times 12 months in a year, and if I do that math, it's going to give me $59,112 for the income per year. I'll just write per year of income, okay? And I'm going to do the same to the $1,375 per month in expenses, and I'm going to multiply that by 12. And when I do that math, it's going to give me $16,500. Okay? And again, these are yearly expenses. So now I've got the yearly income and I've got the yearly expenses. Remember, I have to do it in yearly because it's a general store, okay, and that's a business. So I'm just going to write business right here. So that's why we had to get it to the yearly numbers, okay? So now we've got the income and expenses, and all I'm going to do, I'm just going to continue on from here. I've got the yearly income, and I'll just subtract the yearly expenses of $16,500. E for expenses again, I'll just write that over here. And if I do that math, it's going to come out to $42,612. And that's the NOI, the net operating income. Okay, so now I've got the net operating income, and I've got more of the question. It says using a cap rate of 9%. So as soon as I see that word rate, I'm automatically going to draw out a magic T. We know the T looks like that. I'll put my multiplication sign here, my division sign here, and another division sign here. And right out of the box, I know I can put that 9%. I'll write 9% here. We know that when we have a percent sign, we can cross that percent sign out, take that decimal place, move it 2 places over to the left, so we have 0.09. And we know the net operating income, which we've just figured out how to do, is $42,612. So now we've got 2 out of the 3 numbers, and whenever we have 2 out of the 3 numbers in a magic T, we can always figure out the third. So we would plug into our calculator. Bring up a calculator here. We would bring up 42,612 divided by 0.09 equals 473. 466, but it says to round up to the nearest dollar, so I'm going to write 467 here. 467. Sorry about the bad handwriting. It's hard to do this with a mouse. But $473,467 is the value of this business. Hopefully that helps.